In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom emoji in Slack. Custom emoji are a great way to make your workspace feel more personal, fun, and recognizable. Teams often use them for inside jokes, quick reactions, or even simple visual shortcuts that make conversations more engaging. The good news is that creating one in Slack is a very straightforward process. To get started, open Slack and look toward the top left area of your workspace. Next to the workspace name, click the workspace drop down. This opens the main menu where Slack keeps several workspace level options. From that menu, move down and click Tools and Settings. This section contains extra controls and administrative customization options. So if you've never explored it before, that's exactly where you want to be for this task. Once that opens, click Customize Workspace. Slack will take you to the customization area for your workspace, where you can manage things like branding and emoji. If a new browser tab opens, that's normal, so just continue there. On the customization page, click Add Custom Emoji. This is the option that lets you create a brand new emoji for your Slack workspace. If you're planning ahead, it helps to use an image that's clear and simple, because smaller images usually display better once they're turned into emoji. After that, click Upload Image. This will open your file browser so you can select the image you want to use. Choose your image from your computer. When picking an image, try to use one with a clean background and a subject that's easy to recognize at a small size. That can make a big difference in how usable the emoji feels in everyday chat. Once the image is selected, give your emoji a name. This name is what people will type in Slack when they want to use it, so keep it short, descriptive, and easy to remember. A clear name makes it much easier for everyone in the workspace to find and use your custom emoji without confusion. Finally, click Save. Slack will upload the image and add it to your workspace's emoji library. After that, your new custom emoji should be ready to use in messages and reactions. And that's it. You've successfully created a custom emoji in Slack. If you want your emoji collection to stay organized, try using consistent naming conventions so your team can quickly search for the right one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.